Today we're going to go over the top 5 dishwasher hacks to keep your dishwasher running smooth. Hack number 1. Make sure you're running the hot water at the tap beside your dishwasher until it reaches the hottest temperature before you start the dishwasher. The water temperature should be between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit, but I prefer it to be around 135 to 140 degrees. This makes sure the dishwasher gets the hottest water possible to help clean your dishes faster. Some dishwasher manufacturers have clean sensors that check the dirtiness of the water and can adjust the duration of the cycle depending on how fast the dishes get clean. Hack number 2. Make sure you're scraping off excess food off the dishes. Little bits are okay and liquids are too, but excess food can build up in the filter and cause it to clog over time. A clogged filter in your dishwasher can cause the seals at the bottom of your dishwasher to fail. That can cause water to leak out underneath and go into the bottom of the pan, which will cause problems in the future. If you're having leaks at the bottom of your dishwasher, be sure to check out some of my latest videos that are around leaky dishwashers and how to fix them. Hack number 3. Speaking of the dishwasher filter, make sure you're cleaning out the dishwasher filter on a monthly basis and you're using a dishwasher cleaner, such as a Fresh, to help get rid of the food buildup that's in the dishwasher. Not sponsored yet. Hack number 4. Be sure you're using a high quality dishwasher detergent and rinse aid. Low quality products can cause damage to your dishes if they have the wrong ingredients, such as lye. Not using rinse aid can cause some dishwashers' heating elements to stop functioning properly, so make sure you're filling it all the way up. Hack number 5, and this one is probably the most important one, is make sure you're following the Break Fix Repair channel. You may find a quick fix to a problem that you have around your house, like the thousands of other people that I've helped over the years. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more.